This is lace monitor. When I first got this bike, I got bucked on one of these first 3 jumps on the 3rd one. So yeah, it's a bit of a love-hate with me and lace monitor. Well, there you go, I got the 4 of them. Last one I come up a bit short, but that's alright. Had a crack. Here's something I've been giving some thought to for a while. There's this feeling you get in certain sports, and once you've felt it, you keep chasing it. I'm going to try to explain it the best I can. Surfers feel it in a bottom turn. They compress into the wave, load everything up, then drive and extend through the turn. The board releases and accelerates. Snowboarders feel it carving a turn. You sink into the edge, feel the board flex underneath you, then extend out of the carve with speed and flow. You definitely feel it on a mountain bike when you load up on a berm. Tyres hook up, the suspension compresses, your body loads like a spring, and everything releases out of the corner with momentum. Skiers feel it, skateboarders feel it, I guess BMX riders feel it. It's like your body, the terrain, gravity, momentum all connect together. Compression and extension, load and release. I honestly think that's what attracts so many people to these sports. Not just adrenaline, it's a connection. For a brief moment you stop fighting the terrain and start moving with it. When you get it right, even for a second, it feels incredible. It really does. Then on a mountain bike you add a few drops, some jumps, and get the endorphins running through your body. It becomes very addictive. I really don't ride this trail enough. It's just a nice, fast, flowy trail. Nothing dangerous, but really fun way to finish off a ride. A few drops, some logs to bounce over, narrow, winding single track, and plenty of corners to load the bike up through. Once you settle into a rhythm, everything starts to flow together. You stop overthinking and just react to the trail. Carry a bit of speed, pump the terrain, let the bike move underneath you. It becomes one of those trails that just puts a smile on your face. if you've got a bike sitting in the garage and a bit of spare time, it's a pretty good way to spend a couple of hours. You'll meet some great people, ride through some beautiful bush, get a bit of fresh air, exercise, a few thrills, not too many spills, and plenty of laughs along the way. You don't need to be launching off huge jumps or riding through double black trails. Just getting out on the bike, rolling through the bush and slowly building confidence is rewarding enough on its own. Every now and again you get one of those runs where everything just flows together and it reminds you exactly why you keep coming back. Hey, thanks for watching. I really enjoy making these videos and I hope you enjoy watching them. If you did enjoy it, maybe hit the like, subscribe, share it with a mate, and I'll see you on the next one.